key to understanding sleep. Sleep is how the body repairs and recovers. Poor sleep can have an immediate adverse effect on your mental and physical health. Recovery is key for our long-term survival. So it's important to note that 7 to 8 hours of repair is needed for adequate recovery. And with sleep, your timing is everything. Sleep routine, consistency, and down-regulation are the beginnings of a good night's sleep. We cannot sleep better. We can only prepare ourselves to sleep better. Creating a bedtime and a routine is best for facilitating sleep. And that's what you need to know about sleep.